Groups of up to 20 birds move as one unit. They never get tired of walking or talking. If one gets separated, it panics, making a racket loud enough to rouse a sleeping leopard. Not a clever move when you're potential cat food. They choose the outer branches of the very tallest trees, beyond the reach of a hungry cat. These thin twigs should keep them safe tonight. A new moon will provide Olimba with a cloak of darkness to hunt under. She attempts a short nap before the long night ahead. But the noisy neighbors get her up for work. Olimba's learned that to hold on to her throne, she must scent mark day and night. She sprays the largest trees, or any with comfortable branches more than 3 meters from the ground. They're the ones most likely to be visited by another leopard. Something in the biggest tree piques her interest. She's found the guinea fowl. They've settled down for the night and are more than 30 meters up. It's a long way to go for a midnight snack. But Olimba makes scaling the vertical trunk look effortless. Her body is built for climbing. Her short back legs are packed with muscles that propel her upwards. And her strong 5-centimeter claws grip the bark. Guinea fowl have lousy night vision, and they can't fly very far. But they do have lightning-fast reactions. It's a wasted effort. The call of another leopard cuts through the night air. This is something she cannot ignore. It's the male. Since escaping the lions, he's been trying to re-establish contact with his mate. The last thing he's expecting is Olimba. She flirts provocatively, She's coming into estrus too, and keen to impress. But after a marathon bout of mating, over 40 times a day, for 5 days straight, he could be forgiven for seeming less than motivated. She tries everything she can to make this opportunity count. For Olimba, every encounter with a male will be fleeting, but try as she might, he's having none of it. He has a huge territory to defend, 4 times that of Olimba's, and decides to move on. She's been unlucky this time, but one day she'll be a mother. She's already an accomplished hunter, and by then will have plenty of skills to pass on. From a young nomadic female with no territory of her own, Olimba has come a long way. She's claimed and maintained one of the best territories in the Luangwa Valley, and she has no intention of giving it up. There will always be trials, but with every passing day, she gets stronger and wiser. She's mastered the gully and is learning to hold on to her hard-won gains. She's all set to rule this place for many years to come.